Sa fridge namin. Ayan. Fridge. Yan ang fridge namin. Yan sa taas. Ito yung favorite ng hubby ko. It's corn, silver side, pre-pack. Yan. Roast beef, pre-pack. Meron pa siya ditong chicken ham. May cheese. Sliced cheese. Here is yung strawberry drinks ng mga bata. Blue cheese. Yan ay konti. Ito yung flavored yogurt. Drinks ng mga bata. This tastes like Yakult, but it's cheaper than Yakult. We have Yakult here. I have here tasty cheese. Brie. Creamy cheese. My favorite, feta, garlic, and cumin. That's butter. So the second shell is milk ni Legend. Ayan. Milk, stock of milk. Then we have here Monster Energy. Hindi naman namin to binibili. Bigay lang sa amin. Kaya meron kami yan. But we really don't like it. We don't like it. Here is a pitcher of water. Mango, apple, passion fruit. And then over there is a shingle pick. Yan ang red wine. The third. Go na tayo sa third. Dito sa third, nakikita natin ito. Farah's garlic butter wrap 6. Then here is a beetroot. Ayan. I have here tomato relish, honey, round sliced gherkins, Hokkien noodles. Ayan. May this one is mayonnaise, real mayonnaise. Almost 2 liters. Here is natural yogurt. This is my homemade kimchi. Sliced bread or loaf bread. This is for burger bread, burger buns. We have here carrot cupcake. Here in this container is yeah, grapes, seedless grapes. support. Turn. Support. Shelves. Meron kami beehives, tricky bacon. Chunky cheese sausage. Peter's Dutch salami. That's blurred siya. Basta salami na. And then beef sirloin steak. Beef sirloin steak again. Two. Here is I have here pork pieces sliced into cube, and then I have NC trevally fillet fish. I have chicken breast, skinless, and then salmon fillet skin on bone. Salmon. So we go to the fourth. Fifth na pala. 1, 2, 3. So go to the fifth. Here is my tomato. And then capsicum. We call in the Philippines red bell pepper. Then strawberry. I will put these grapes here together with the strawberry. I have here peeled garlic. And then in the veggie bin, carrots, spring onion. This one is king sweeties, capsicum, select chili, at salt. I have here mushroom, then cucumber, and then baby spinach. And we're done over there, so going here. I have a sushi ginger. Very nice sauce. Ginger. Here is Benjamin. Spread it for sandwich. Chili. And also I got a marmite. Over here is I have a chopped lemongrass, pickled onion, tomato release, smooth peanut butter again, strawberry jam. Here is this one is a ranch salad dressing, and then olive, lemon juice, lime juice, mayonnaise, and this one is pag di ka makatai, ayan, level up, drink ka niya. You have constipation. Ito, mint sauce, lime juice, apple sauce. This is my favorite, roasted garlic, when I'm going to make lasagna or spaghetti. This one is Hershey Sandy Cream. Quiet, Legion. This one is American mustard, honey mustard, mustard pa rin, tomato paste, tartar sauce din yan. Tartar sauce, favorite ng asawa ko. Ito, Thousand Island dressing, balsamic, vinaigrette. Okay, you eat. Burger sauce. Ayan, he wants to share his marshmallow. Seafood sauce. Ayan, this one is Caesar dressings. And then this one is coleslaw dressing. Mayonnaise pa din. Ketchup, tomato sauce. Yan. Over here is Legion, return that one there. Dark grape juice. I have dark grape juice. Legion.
Cola.
Same dark. Wait. Dark grape juice pa rin.
Grape.
Cola. Daddy's favorite. We have his lemonade, sparkling lemonade. Legion. And then cranberry juice. Over here is lemon. Return. Lemon. Mango. Legion. Out. Green apple.
Apple.
I have here
Yes.
green beans.
And we have small carrots.
Carrot. The small carrot. Legion's favorite. They always eat small
I
carrot.
want to eat the small carrots.
Okay, you do it.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hey,
Okay,
strawberry,
guys.
strawberry.
That's our fridge.
Strawberry.
So, strawberry, his favorite. So, that's our food for the week. But sometimes it's not week, it's 2
Wow.
week. 1 week or 2 weeks. So, that's it.
Memos.
That's what we have in our fridge. So, dun sa mga nag-request, what's in my fridge? Ayan. That's in my fridge. That's what I have in our fridge. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, Legion.